core system library is failing because of the Football Manager 20 English Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for Football Manager 20 English Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Football Manager 20 English Library, the English ENU resource library for the Microsoft Forms 2.0 ActiveX control, containing localized UI strings, dialog layouts, and resource bindings used by Office VBA forms. If missing, form-based macros may fail with errors like compile error, object library invalid, or could not load an object. As required, UI resources cannot be resolved. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. fm20enu is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Football Manager 20 English Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Football Manager 20 English Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Football Manager 20 English Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Football Manager 20 English Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.